It is good to question things throughout your life and never resist the curious nature of your soul. All the answers you are seeking are within you already. You have the power to create your reality and live the life of your dreams. Through clear intention, conscious action, and divine trust, all that you desire can be real. As a spiritual seeker, you will meet many people at various stages in your life. All will be your teachers, and some will help guide you and offer valuable wisdom to help you further discover your true nature. We have compiled 7 timeless spiritual lessons for you. 1. You are your own guru. Respect and learn from others, but don't hold anyone's power or wisdom above your own. 2. Your journey is not like anyone else's. Embrace your unique path and avoid playing the comparison game. 3. In life, there will always be challenges. Embrace life's challenges as necessary for your evolution. They're here to teach you. 4. Release the impulse to constantly seek the next big thing. Replace this impulse with an ability to remain open, aware, and humble. Ultimately, this is how you can grow. 5. Presence is key to evolution. Like the river's journey in the story, you learn that your actions of today are what define you. 6. You must live by, and trust, your life purpose. We each have a unique gift and purpose to share with the world. Find yours and live by that compass. 7. Change is the only constant. By trusting yourself and the universe, you can begin to flow with the waves of change, rather than resist them. Thank you for watching. And, thank you for being with us. We are inseparable parts of the separated whole. We're one, we are the future with you. Please subscribe us and don't forget to support us through your precious like, share and leave a comment below. Until next time, take care of you. Namaste.